this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Acecook Wakame Ramen Mi Ise Shrimp and Soy Sauce Dashi. So it's basically got probably gonna be like full of seaweed and maybe a little couple shrimp bits. We'll doctor that up. Yeah. So what's happening in your neck of the woods? We're shooting down unidentified flying objects in Alaska currently. That's fascinating. What if they're aliens? If they're aliens and not Chinese spy devices, then we really messed up. Just because you can't identify it, it doesn't mean it's coming from China. But recent events, you know. I wonder if that's still going on. Who knows? Maybe when this posts, the world will wait. If the world is destroyed by the aliens and you guys blew up the alien happiness flotilla, then I guess it won't post. Hopefully that's not the case. Either that or hopefully the aliens are like, oh, you know, we understand, we kind of took you off guard and you guys had this kind of geopolitical uprising deal thing going. I'm gonna have the clock upside. Oh, come on. I'm gonna have the clock upside down today to add a little bit of weirdness to the show. Give this a little stir as it steeps. And we need to put a lid on it, as Beyonce would say when she's making her instant noodles. So yeah, and we'll put the that right on top. So yeah. Big news that you'll hear, not in this episode, but not the next episode, but the one after that. So, been a week. My poor wife is horribly ill. She got some kind of like respiratory cold thing, or it moved into her lungs or something. I had to call 911 this morning because it's just like she could not breathe. They were like, well, you know, everything looks okay. It's just, but it's like she can't breathe, and every breath she tries to take, it's just like she's gasping for air. So she wanted to go in, and I don't blame her one bit. That's no fun. You kind of need to breathe. And what else is going on? I don't know. Other things? It's almost Valentine's Day. I gotta get her something for Valentine's Day. I'm feeling like a crummy husband that I should be like totally on that, like right off the bat. But I'm like thinking, what am I gonna get her? She does the gluten-free thing, so chocolates aren't exactly easily found. And I mean, I can get her chocolate, but I don't know if she really wants that. Flowers, she doesn't like flowers because they die. And what's the other thing? I don't know, I'll probably make her a really nice dinner, but I'll get her something. But it's the 11th now, so it's getting kind of close. Yeah, Amazon. Same day. I'll find something. Although the things that they recommend on Amazon a lot of the time are just like, I want to get her something specifically fancy, kind, and wonderful. But I'll do it. It will be done. Happiness will be everywhere. So yeah. I walked 17 miles yesterday. That was a lot. That was kind of fun. It's upside down still. And that's upside down. But I haven't done any reviews this week. I've just been like walking and walking and walking. I'm supposed to do a whole bunch of walking today, but I got the kids, I got the dog. She's in, so maybe when she gets out, I'll be able to do some work and I will say, I like it how it looks upside down, but as far as being able to tell what button to push while it's upside down, wow, this is really murky, folks. Really murky. It is of the C and a half, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? A lot of sea vegetable going on. Let's look at this. Wow, it smells of the sea. This reminds me of what... See, what I wish is that the noodles weren't so white and stark with everything else. What we got here? Here's a piece of something. It's like that bready stuff. Here's the noodle with a little bit of seaweed. Come on, Wakame. Where are you? God, there's so much seaweed in here. Anyway, seaweed. Let's try this broth. Very, very light colored broth. Yeah, as kind of expected, this is a variety that I am just not like enthused with. It's just funk, you know. I'm gonna use this bowl with it. It's just not. It ain't singing to me, folks. Oh, by the way, I did mention, I think recently, that I was gonna do there was gonna be a Japanese TV show that was gonna come here and film. Nope, not happening. Why? Because they can't figure out how to tie in me doing reviews of instant noodles from around the world with ones that are simply just Japanese varieties. And, you know, I don't know. It kind of works out that way sometimes. I'm not really butthurt about it. It's like, I'm kind of bummed. I'm kind of not. That's a lot of extra work to have to do all that stuff. Boy, look at all that seaweed. Holy crap. Yeesh. Yeesh. A little spring onion right here. I don't know if that's even necessary. We'll add some seeds. Looks like I'm finally almost ready to get some more sesame seeds. It's been a while. I think that's probably more than I want to do to this. I have mung bean sprouts. I could add a few, but I don't think it's going to work out so well in this. So let's let the Rotato do its magic. I'm going to prep for the next one, which sounds way more interesting than this to me personally. Here we go. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is a variety from New Touch / Yamadai. It also came in a Zen Pop box, and this is a nostalgic burnt soy sauce ramen. So that sounds interesting, doesn't it? Of course it does. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.